In this video, I'm going to show you the best two websites to start as a beginner data analyst. If you want to start your journey as a data analyst and you are finding it difficult to start, these two websites I want to show you is your go-to. So please ensure you watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you how you can start your journey with those two websites. They will help you a lot. Let's get started. So you are going to come to your browser and then type in W3 schools and then click on it. When you click on it, click on the home page, and then here when you get to the home page, go to tutorials. Then you come to learn Excel. We've done the Excel. Go to Excel exercises and then start. So this is for you after watching the YouTube videos and you want to keep yourself fresh. So what do? You come to these exercises and start learning this exercise. These exercises are very simple, very straightforward, and easy to learn. So that is why I recommend this a lot. All right, you go to learn, you start next to show you, okay, get your certificate, and the rest. Now, the other please, when you are very good with W3 schools, then go ahead and go to wisepol.co.uk. Now, when you get to wisepol, I will put the link in the video, wisepol.co.uk. Then you come to our training courses, our training resources, then you go to exercises. Here you are going to see Excel exercises, Power BI exercises, and the rest. So if you are starting with Excel, you go to Excel. One beautiful thing about this, you can see when you click on Excel exercises, you have 13, Visual Basic, and other scripting. One beautiful thing here is it has the beginner, you see relatively easy, average difficult, and you see the ones that are hard. Later on, you see harder than average, So then one beautiful thing is you are going to see that if I click on this first one, for example, you are going to see that it says add new data, editing and copying, changing column width for customer service data. This exercise is provided to allow potential course delegate to choose the correct WISO Microsoft training course and will not be reproduced in all. Before you can do this exercise, you need to download and unzip the file. So this is one beautiful thing about this website. You also have the file you're going to work with, the Excel file and everything. You download it. Then another thing about it is it will also show you what you are supposed to expect, the answer you are supposed to expect. All right, you can unzip this file to see answers to this file. So you can see when you click on this, you unzip and you see what the answer is supposed to be. This is, and you can see a lot. If you can master this, you see that there are exercises for everything, test function, split function, and everything you really want to learn in Excel. I hope this helps you. I hope you gained something. All right, I will drop the link in the description. All right, see you in the next video. Thank you.